welcome back to my channel again. My name is Comfort at nutricomply.com. Thank you for stopping by. Today I will be sharing with you another delicious and exciting recipe. Today I will be making unripe plantain pudding in two ways. I have both savory and sweet method to share with you. Thank you. Let's just dive in straight into today's recipe. God bless you. As earlier stated in my intro, I will be making unripe plantain pudding in two ways. I will be making both sweet method and that of a savory method. For the sweet method, I will be using unripe plantain, carrots, eggs, milk, and honey. I will be using honey as my sweetener. So I'm adding both eggs and milk to improve the texture of the pudding, because I don't want a kind of pudding that will be too hard or heavy. I want a pudding that will be soft and fluffy. And by adding both egg and milk, is going to improve the textures of the pudding. At the end of the day, I'm going to have a very fluffy and light pudding. And apart from that, the protein content of plantain is very low, so adding both egg and milk, which are very high in protein, is going to improve the protein content of the pudding. So the second method, the savory method, is just plantain moin moin, the plantain moin moin that we are making in Nigeria. So I have plantain here, and we'll be adding bell pepper, habanero pepper. I will be using oil as well. We also add milk. I will also add milk and egg. Adding egg and milk to the moin moin too is also going to help to boost up the protein content of the moin moin, and also enhance the texture to give us a kind of fluffy and light moin moin. I will also be adding a fish, and lastly I will add onion. Let's not forget, I will be adding chicken seasoning and salt. I don't usually add too much spices to my moin moin. I always like to keep my moin moin very simple. The next thing that we do is to boil my fish. Before I boil it, I would like to just season it slightly. While the fish is boiling, the next thing to do is to peel my plantain. So I've thoroughly washed all my ingredients. So I will also blend the savory one. So now that I've blended my ingredients, what I will be doing is to add the rest of the ingredients. I will be adding oil. For the full recipe, please check the description box below. I'm going to leave the full recipe in the description box below. So I will add the onion. Mix them thoroughly until they are well combined. I will be portioning it into my muffin pan. So to the second method, the moin moin method, so I'm going to add the fish, the bone fish. I'll remove all the bone. I will add oil, and also chicken seasoning and salt. So I will also be portioning it into my muffin pan. So the next thing I will be doing is to bake them inside the, I'm not really baking really, so I'm going to steam them, use moist heat to cook them inside my oven. So I preheated my oven to 350 degrees. So I'm going to put them in. I have boiled water here that I will be putting under the muffin pan, which will help to generate moist heat. The plantain pudding is ready. This is that of sweet method, and this is that of Moin Moin method. I will be tasting them now. This is really sweet. I like both, but it also depends on the way I want it. So if I want to use it as the main dish, I prefer making that of Moin Moin's method. But if I want to use it just like side dish or snacks, I always make that of a sweet one. They both taste great and yummy. The sweet one, of course, is sweet as expected because I added honey and carrots, while the savory one tastes just like beans. Moin Moin tastes like normal Moin Moin, and it's so delicious. So in time of color, you can see that they both have similar color, and it's because of the carrots that I added to the sweet one. And carrots has so many health benefits. Carrots are excellent source of beta carotene, which is a precursor of vitamin A. They also have high fiber. They are excellent source of vitamin K1, also excellent source of potassium, and they also have antioxidant property. They have also been linked, carrots have been linked to lowering cholesterol, and because of the beta carotene in it, it's good for eyes health. So, and it's also weight loss friendly because about 80 to 90% of carrots are water, so they are weight loss friendly. So carrot is such a good thing that you can include in your diet. So if you don't have bell pepper at home and you want to make Moin Moin, just go ahead and use your carrot, and you're going to get a very good result. Thank you for watching. God bless you. See you in my next video when I will be bringing you another nutritious and delicious recipe. If you have not subscribed, please click on that subscribe button, and if you really like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. God bless you. Bye.